Alright, this video is to show how to work on the polygon helper. If you're not sure, you can see up on the board you're going to have equilateral, scalene, and isosceles triangles in your polygon helper. When you do your side triangles, equilateral, scalene, isosceles, you do them something like this, where you draw out the sides and then you write out the measurement, the exact measurement of the triangle, each side. Then you can see come the different types of angle triangles, right triangle, obtuse triangle, and acute triangle. And what I want you to do is label the angles, acute, obtuse, or right. You do not have to measure them. That was the issue last night. You're not measuring them. You're using sight and estimation to figure out where they are. So this one, for example, is an obtuse triangle. And you see how I've written angle ABC with the vertex is always the middle letter. Angle ABC is obtuse. So I label it as obtuse. I don't label the actual measurement, just tell me it's obtuse. Angle ACB is acute, and angle CAB is acute. Therefore, when you have an obtuse triangle, you also have two acute angles in your triangle. But that's how I want you to label your triangles inside your polygon helper. And don't forget, the first page is the cover sheet. The page on the back of the cover sheet is your table of contents, which will list all 16 of the polygons that you're going to put in there. I've shown you the triangles. You've got trapezoid, parallelogram, that's not a square, rhombus, or rectangle. That's kind of a tough one. 9 is a general quadrilateral. 10 is a square. 11 is rhombus but not a square. 12 is rectangle. Then the last 4 are regular polygons, which means I would like them to be as close to equal as possible. Regular, that's what regular means. With pentagon, 5-sided figure. Hexagon is a 6-sided figure. Octagon is an 8-sided figure, and decagon is a 10-sided figure. That should clear things up. The big thing I want you to remember is when you do your triangles is to label, if you're doing a scalene, equilateral, isosceles, measure the sides exactly and write and label them with inches or centimeters or whatever measurement you use. And then when you're doing the right, obtuse, or acute triangles, make sure you tell me what kind of angle each angle is, whether it's obtuse, acute, or right. Hopefully that clears things up. Thank you very much. Have a good day.